Hello, we are in mensuration, okay, mensuration, and that too in exercise 20b. So we ended up our session in rhombus, and today we shall be talking about triangles, okay. I hope all of you are aware of triangles, okay. This is a triangle and we are going to find its area, okay. Now if I tell you to find its perimeter, so naturally you can find the sum of all the sides a, b and c. So this perimeter is equal to a plus b plus c. Clear? Now what is new about the area of a triangle? So in area of a triangle, when we talk about the area of a triangle, so let us first make a small triangle, okay. So if I draw a small triangle, okay, so this is my triangle, okay, this is my triangle. Now let me draw the same triangle, not same triangle, the triangle whose one of the angle is obtuse, whose one of the angle is obtuse. So here we have one of the angle as obtuse, okay, very good. Now let me draw a right angle triangle. So this is my right angled triangle, okay. Please try to see where lies the difference. This is my right angle triangle, okay. The line might not be straight, let me make it straight, okay. Now here the area of the triangle, area of a triangle in general, area of triangle in general is equal to half into base into height, half into b into h, or base into height. This is my base and this is my height. Now base is your this is your base on which the triangle is standing. Now so here you have the base, that is base, this is your base and this is your base. But when you are talking about the height of this particular triangle, so the height over here will be the line joining the vertex and is perpendicular to the base. So this is your height. Here this is your HT height. Here you will find that if you draw a line which is perpendicular from the vertex, that particular line will naturally fall outside the triangle. So it fell outside the triangle. Very good. Now over here, so I am going to produce this. Now if you are talking about the height of this particular right angle triangle, so here if this is the base, this particular side it becomes your height because it's already 90 degree. So in this case area of a triangle will be equal to half into base into height. So if both base and height are given, naturally you can find out the area. Similarly they will give you area and base and they will ask you find the height. So the same thing keeps on moving around, okay. However we shall not move around like them. We shall directly concentrate on the sums, that is number 16. Find the area of a triangle, find the area of a triangle whose base is given, how much? Base is given as 30 centimeter and height is given as 18 centimeter. So naturally the area will be equal to half into base into height will be equal to half into 30 into 18 is equal to 18 threes are how much? 8 threes are 24, 540 centimeter square. I am not well conversant with the multiplication, okay. If I can do this by simple numbers, so 540 centimeter square, that's it, simple. Number 17, find the area, find the height of a triangle whose base is given. I told you the same thing, okay. They have given you the area is equal to half into base into height, half into base into height. Number 17 says that half into base into height is equal to area. I am going to write in this way so that I can easily find out the other sides. Find the height of a triangle whose base is 18 centimeter. The base is given as 18 centimeter. Height is not there. I am not going to write here centimeter, okay, because all the measurements are already given in given in centimeter into height is equal to area half into 18 into half into 18 into HT is equal to area. So my dear, have a look. 2 nines are 8 half into 18 into HT. The area is given how much? The area is given 270. Fine. So 2 9 times 18. 2 9 times 18. So 9 HT is equal to 270. Your height HT is equal to 270 by 9, and you know how to cancel it, isn't it? Which will give you 13 centimeter as the only solution. Okay. The area of a right angle triangle, I told you about the right angle triangle, where both the perpendicular and both the sides, that is the excluding the hypotenuse. When you're talking about a right angled triangle, okay, why it is not always, it's not straight, okay. So this is my right angle triangle, and in this particular right angle triangle, this is the hypotenuse, and these two sides are perpendicular to each other. So you can take this as base and this becomes the perpendicular, or this as base and this becomes the perpendicular. Clear? Come on. The area of a right angle triangle, its area is given. The area is given as 160 centimeter square. One of its leg, these are the two legs, isn't it, is 16 centimeter long. Find the length of the other. So we'll apply the same formula, isn't it? We'll apply the same formula. Half into base into height is equal to area. So half into b into height is equal to area. Once again, let us see. Half into 16 into your height, which I do not know, is equal to 160. So let us do the calculations now. 2 8 times, so 8 HT will be equal to how much? Is equal to 160. Therefore HT is equal to 160 divided by 8 gives your answer as 20 centimeter. Clear? So that is why I said all of them. Find the area of a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse. Yes. So here comes something important. In fact, little important, because you already are aware of the Pythagoras theorem. Please do not forget this Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Where in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is this, means this side which is opposite to 90 degree. One of them is the base and other is the perpendicular. So when two of the sides are given, you can find the third side using the formula h square is equal to p square plus b square. Okay, let us see what is something new in number 19. So number 19 says, find the area of a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. Okay, 13 centimeter. So they say that this is your right angle triangle. Okay, this is just to explain. Okay, where it says that one of the side is 13 centimeter, whose hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. They have already mentioned the word hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. They have mentioned that is 13 centimeter, and one of its leg is 12 centimeter. This is my 12 centimeter. And then they say that find area. You please find the area. So of course I can find area only if this particular side is given. This particular side is given. Okay. Let me take this as x. Okay. So area of a triangle, area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. So half into base into height, and my height is not given. This is my don't take this as x. So I'll take this as height h. But my h is not there. So before solving this, I need to find out the h. This h can be found out. This h can be, or you can say better, why not to take it as p. Achha, let me take it as h only. Okay. So this my h square will be equal to, I am writing small h, and hypotenuse is written as capital H. So please do not get confused. Okay. That why did you write h? it is my it depends on me whether I take h or I take a or b. Okay, so h square is equal to hypotenuse square minus this 12 square. So my h square will be equal to 169 minus 144 will be equal to 25. So h will be equal to 25 square root, which will give you 5 as your answer. So using Pythagoras theorem, I found h is equal to 5. Now I do not have any issue with finding the area of the right angle triangle, which is equal to half into base into height. I have the base also and I have the height also, which is equal to your half base as 12 and height as 5. So 2 6 are 12 is equal to 30 centimeter square finished. Clear? So we saw that there's nothing something you can say different. Okay, now again when we come to number 20, we have find the area of equilateral triangle. Okay, so area of a equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle means a triangle having all the sides equal. So a triangle having all the sides are equal is known as equilateral triangle. Equilateral. Equilateral means equal. This lateral means sides. So equilateral means all the sides are equal. Okay, equilateral triangle. Now this is also a triangle, whether it is equilateral triangle or isosceles triangle. Its area will also be equal to base into height. Base into height, half into base into height. But there is a big but. But they say that area of the equilateral triangle can be simplified as, for example, if all the sides are A and A. So they have found out that area of equilateral triangle, equilateral lateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into A square, side square, which should be learned by heart. Root you can say in the next level, that is in 9, you will find its derivation, but here area of the equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into A square, that is side square. So if the side is given, naturally you can put this in the formula and you can solve it. Now you will talk about root 3. So the value of root 3 is equal to 1.73, which should also be remembered. Even if you don't remember, the value will be given, isn't it? Even if you don't remember, the value will be given. So you needn't to get panic. Come on. Now using this particular formula, we shall be doing we shall concentrate on number 20, isn't it? On number 20, we says find the area of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle whose each side is 16 centimeter, means having side is equal to 16 centimeter. Okay, and they are saying that you take root as 1.73. See, I told you they have already given you root 3 is equal to 1.73. Okay, now you need to find out area, and right now we studied that area is equal to root 3 by 4 into A square, means root 3 by 4 into 16 into 16, isn't it? 16 into 16. So 4 times 16, 16 4s are 64. So 64 into root 3. 64 into root 3. So my dear, once again let me write 64 into 1.73. 1.73. Okay, 64 into 1.773 will give you how much? Will give you 110.72 as your 72 what? Centimeter square. Do not forget this unit. Okay, 110.72 centimeter square. Okay, the sides of a triangle. Now again I find that this particular portion, okay, these few sums are really you can say we are enhancing sums. There are sums which will enhance your knowledge. So once again, area of a triangle. Area of triangle. What did we learn? We learned half into base into height. Half into base into height. Okay. So area of a triangle. Once again, try to understand. Area of a triangle is equal to base, and this is your height. So half base into height. Whether it is a right angle triangle or obtuse angle triangle. We also learnt about the area of equilateral triangle as root 3 by 4 into side square. Okay, which was only specified to the equilateral triangle only for equilateral triangle only. But if height is not given, only the sides are given. If height is not given, and if the sides are given, okay, means for example, if this is a triangle, in which this side is A, this is my B, this is my C, and height is not given, therefore its area is equal to, try to understand, its area, area, area is equal to S minus A B C, okay, square root. Means area is equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now you will talk about what is this S. What is this S? So this S is your semi-perimeter. This semi-perimeter, which is called S, semi means adha, semi-perimeter. So this semi-perimeter, which is your S, is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. A plus B plus C divided by 2. So A plus B plus C was your perimeter. So when you divide it by 2, तो perimeter का आधा. This means it is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So first you will have to find this S. When you find out this S, then you put it in the formula. S multiplied by S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, and whatever value you get, you will have to put it in the root. Now let us do one sum on this. Okay, let us do one. I will be doing only one sum on this. So here it says that find the area of a triangle whose sides are 21, 17 and 10. So this is my 21. This is a triangle. Okay, this is my triangle in which they have given us as 21 centimeter, 17 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Very good. Now they have asked us that find its area. Find area. Now to find its area, I shall be using the formula, as area will be equal to the square root of S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, which I taught you right now. Clear? Let us find S. Therefore, my S will be equal to 10 plus 17 plus 21 divided by 2. Isn't it? S is equal to 48 divided by 2 is equal to 24. So I got S. Now I will directly put into the formula. So my dear, area will be equal to square root of, see, 24 minus 10, 24 minus 17, 24 minus 21. Very good. Now let us solve. Is equal to square root of 24 into, this will become 14 into 24 minus 17, 7 into, this is your 3. So you saw that how I got these all factors in the root. Now it is advisable not to multiply this. It is advisable not to multiply this, rather than use the factorization method to find out the square root of the numbers. Now what I am going to do is I will be breaking this into smaller units. Okay, means the prime numbers. Let us break this in prime number. So when we break this into prime number, 24 will become, let us see, 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12, 2s are 24. Very good. This 14 will become 7 2s are 14. This 7 will become 7 as it is, and this 3 was already a prime number. Therefore, now let us see how we are going to find it out. 1 3 and 2 3. So since 2 3 are there, I will be writing only one value. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 4 2's are there, so I will be writing two values. And then 7 and 7, two of them are there, so I will be writing only one value. So when you multiply this, what are you going to get? 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12, 7s are 84 centimeter square. So we saw that how easily we tried to do this sum. 22 is also of the same type. Number 22 is also of the same type. Okay, where they have given you two sides. Number 22, they have given you one of the side. In number 22, they have given you an isosceles triangle whose two sides are equal to 10 each, and one of them is 16. So naturally you can find semi-perimeter and then put it into the formula S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, which is particularly known as Heron's formula, isn't it? Heron's formula. Okay, come on. Let us talk about the other sums. Like 23, you can do it. 24 also you can do it, I'm sure, damn sure. 25, okay, this is our last one over here. Here in 25 it says that the area of an equilateral triangle, is equal to how much? 64 root 3. Very good. So area of equilateral triangle is equal to 64 root 3. You find side. So let me first write the formula. Formula क्या है? Root 3 by 4 into a square is equal to 64 root 3. This I knew it. I had already learnt it. So now have a look. You can cancel it like this. So a square by 4, a square by 4 is equal to 64. Therefore a square will be equal to 64 into 4. Right now we did this form, that a will be equal to square root of 64 into 4, which can be further broken as a is equal to square root of 8 into 8 into 2 times 2. So 8 into 8, I'll write 1 8, and 2 into 2, I'll write 2, is equal to 16 centimeter as your solution. Okay, so sides, I hope this was loud and clear. Number 26 is also 26, which you can do it yourself. I think I'm damn sure about 26, which says that the sides of a triangle are in a ratio. Once again they are talking about a ratio. The sides are in ratio 15 is to 13 is to 14. So my dear, 15 is to 13 is to 14. This means that this is my 15x, 13x, and this is my 14x. And they have also given you the perimeter. So perimeter is equal to sum of the all sides, that is 14x plus 13x plus 15x will be equal to how much? Will be equal to how much? Will be equal to let me see, 10, 20, 30, 35, 38 plus 4, that is 42, isn't it? Equal to 42x. Good. Now they have given you the perimeter as 168 centimeter. So my x will be equal to 168 by 42, which will give you how much? Which will give you 4. So value of x equal to 4. So you can find out 14x, 13x and 15x. Now after you find out 14, 13 and 15, please put in the formula area is equal to s minus a, s minus b, s minus c का square root. So 26, I hope you have done it. From number 27, we shall be dealing directly with circle once again. Therefore, for the next lecture, please stay tuned. Stay tuned. Thank you.